English, the global language of post-colonialism. Hello, learners. Today we're delving into a fascinating topic: English as a global language in the post-colonial era. This isn't just about how the language spread, but also the impacts and influences it has around the world. So, let's dive in. To fully grasp why and how English became a global language, it's essential to first understand post-colonialism. Post-colonialism refers to the period following the decline and end of colonial empires, during which previously colonized countries regained their independence. However, the legacy of colonialism lingered in many aspects, one of which was language. English, being the language of many colonial powers, notably the British Empire, became embedded in the administrations, educations, and cultures of many countries. In the wake of decolonization, English began to evolve from a colonial language to a lingua franca. A lingua franca is a language used for communication between groups of people who speak different native languages. The reason for English's wide adoption as a lingua franca includes: 1. Economic reasons. As former colonies developed economically, they entered global markets where English was already dominant. 2. Media and culture. The rise of Hollywood, pop culture, and later the Internet further popularized English. 3. Education. English became a desired second language, leading to a boom in English teaching institutions globally. While the spread of English brought about several benefits, it wasn't without challenges. 1. Local language suppression. In some regions, English's dominance threatened the survival of local languages. 2. Cultural homogenization. The widespread use of English led to concerns about global cultures becoming too similar and the loss of unique cultural expressions. 3. Language evolution. On the bright side, English itself evolved, absorbing elements from various cultures, leading to the rise of regional English varieties like Singlish in Singapore or Hinglish in India. The paradox of English today is that while it unites people from different corners of the world, it also celebrates diversity. Here's how. 1. Worldwide communication. English allows people from different cultures and backgrounds to share ideas, innovate, and collaborate. 2. Diverse versions. From Spanglish to Chinglish, the fusion of English with local dialects showcases the adaptability and resilience of the language. 3. Access to knowledge. English, being the dominant language of the Internet, provides access to a wealth of information and resources. In wrapping up, the journey of English from the age of colonialism to now is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of languages and cultures. It serves as both a bridge and a reflection of the world's diverse tapestry. We hope this video provided insight into the rich history and current role of English as a global language. Happy learning!